Hi, welcome to Financial Freedom. Let's dive into today's topic, but before that, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.
Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Meta is making headlines today as Mark Zuckerberg recruits talent for a new superintelligence AI group, marking a significant shift in its strategic focus. This initiative comes amid discussions of a $14 billion investment in Scale AI, where Scale CEO Alexander Wang is set to lead the AI efforts within Meta. This move reflects Meta's commitment to not only catching up, but potentially leading in the AI arena, a critical technology platform for future growth. As Meta enters its most bullish month statistically, historical trends suggest a solid performance spike from June 11th to July 11th. Given the ongoing investments and strategic restructuring in AI, this favorable timing could amplify investor confidence, providing a potential catalyst for stock price increases in both the short and long term. In contrast, competition is heating up, particularly with Snap launching smart glasses in 2026, challenging Meta in the wearable tech space. While competition poses risks, Meta's substantial investments and proactive strategies in AI could enable it to maintain its edge in innovation. Overall, today's news could position Meta favorably in the market, fostering optimism around its prospects as a standout tech stock for 2025. With potential for record highs, the Meta stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal due to the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at levels of $686 and $619. A drop below either of these thresholds will generate sell signals. A buy signal was triggered from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by approximately 44%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. The stock warrants close monitoring. Some negative signals have also surfaced, which could impact short-term developments. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Stock has broken through the wide and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the ceiling of the current trend, which was previously broken at $655.03. This level may provide a second chance for investors to capitalize on a strong upward movement. According to fan theory, $767.68 is projected to be the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance point that may be difficult to surpass on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 19% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 8% to an increase of approximately 11%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of over 22%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of nearly 12% to an increase of about 37% over the next year.
Analysts believe the 12-month price target for Meta Platforms stock ranges from a low of $50 to a high of $935. The average analyst price target of $687.36 forecasts a minus 2.14% decrease in the stock price over the next year. The average analyst rating for Meta Platforms stock is strong buy. This means that analysts believe this stock is likely to perform very well in the near future and significantly outperform the market.
Meta holds several positive signals, yet we find these insufficient to recommend it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered a hold candidate, where one can hold or accumulate more shares while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, moving from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation.